Hey loves, today I'm going to show you how to get a top knot bun using your real hair and some weave. So let's get started. First you want to begin with your hair already stretched out. I usually do this by doing a 2-strand twist. Have your hair loose and free. So what you'll need a ponytail holder, straight pins or bobby pins, gel, a brush, scarf, and some H2O. So begin by wetting your hair at least around the perimeters. This is going to base your hair for the gel. I like using Eco Styler gel with olive oil, but use any gel of your choice and just apply that gel at least to the perimeter of your hair. I usually don't like wetting my whole hair just to make a ponytail. This works just fine. So then you're going to put your hair into a high ponytail. You can really put it in any position that you like. This will work in any position. And so I usually take a chunk of my hair from the middle. And you'll take that chunk and twist it up and then fold it back on itself to create a bun. This is going to give you that fullness of the hair that you need. You can actually do 2 of these twists in the middle if you want more fullness. So again, tucking that twist onto itself to make a small little bun. And then you'll take the remaining hair from the perimeter and just wrap it around that bun. What I love about this is that you don't necessarily have to have very long hair to do this, and you don't actually have to have very thick hair to do this as well. As long as you make the twist in the middle kind of fluffy and juicy, then you'll be able to get a fuller looking bun. If you truly don't have enough hair to do this, you can actually use something in the center of your hair like a sock bun to create this look, but this is just a way to do it using your real hair if you don't want to buy anything else. So once you've completed your bun, you want to do your edges. Now, I don't endorse always having to do your edges, but I will say on simple hairstyles just like this, styling your edges and making sure they're laid actually makes the hairstyle look a little bit better, a little bit more polished and put together. And the ponytail's done. So you always want to use a scarf to tie down your edges so that they don't revert and puff back up. Then you use a second scarf just to make sure that you don't have that weird like pointy cone head look. 20 minutes later, and then you want to basically peel your scarf off. So this is your bun, the finished look. Now for a little drama. So take some clip-in extensions or some tracks, braid them, and then you want to secure them upside down to the base of your ponytail. Then you'll take all of those braids that you've made and you want to pin them over the bun so that it covers up the fact that you don't actually have braided hair. What I like about doing this is that it gives you more fullness to your bun. It adds a little intrigue, and if you add some decorative elements like some jewels, you can actually use this for holiday events coming up. You can use this for date night. You can use this for the office. So make sure every last little piece is tucked in and covering that bun. So just make sure that it's perfect, but this is it, the finished look. Now if you want to take it a little step further, I actually added some purple, a little tail, imitating Shuri from Black Panther, so I'll leave a link for that tutorial in the cards. Mwah. Check out my other tutorials and I'll see you next Thursday. Bye!